So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this will be the part 3 of the New Year's Eve or New Year 2019 look. This whole week I'm gonna upload maybe 4 videos in this whole week, and hope you guys stay tuned for that. And yeah, and for this look I'm gonna do like a copper brownish dark bold full glam eye look, and stay tuned for the tutorial. I'm just gonna jump right into the eye portion. I already did my my face base off camera and also my brows off camera, so we can just jump right into the eye tutorial. And for the eyelid primer, I'm gonna use my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in shade NW20, and just gonna pat that to my eyelid, and then I'm gonna set it with my eyelid with my e.l.f. contour and highlight face palette, and taking that shade and then set all my eyelids and also to my lower lash line. And for the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just gonna pick this shade for my crease. I'm just gonna take a blending brush to blend it to my crease. For this tutorial, I'm gonna do halo eye. Just gonna do the other eye, and then for the next shade, I'm gonna take this shade, and taking a small, more pointed brush from Zoeva, I'm gonna first apply it to my outer corner of my eye, and then to my inner corner of my eyes, and then blending it to the upper, like swiping motion. Then I'm gonna blend it again with the same first brush that I used. And then for another shade, I'm gonna take this one for my lower lash line. This brush are from Zoeva, and I'm gonna take that and blend it to my lower lash line. Taking a pencil brush and taking this shade, also popping that to my lower lash line to even darken up the lower lash line, and then blend it. And then I'm gonna take this shade to even more darken the upper eyelid. I'm gonna go back to these two shades to blend the shades all together. That makes sense at all? Anyway, and then I'm gonna take my MAC concealer to conceal the center of my eyelid, and then I'm gonna mix these 3 shades from the Morphe palette to make it like this shade. I have no idea why it makes it that really. Anyway, I'm just gonna pat it to the center of my eyelids, and then I'm gonna take the and then taking that 2 shades, and then I'm gonna blend it again with my the sides of my eyes, and then to my lower lash line to even intensify dark the eye. Liquid liner, I'm gonna use my Essence Super Last Liquid Eyeliner in black, and this is a waterproof. I'm not gonna do a more like long elongated cut eye, just gonna short, just enough for my shape of my eyes. And then for the mascara, I'm gonna take my CoverGirl LashBlast Volume Mascara. Put some on my lashes. I'm gonna take my CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder in shade Light and just gonna powder my whole face because it's so shiny. Not so shiny actually. I'm gonna blend my real lashes to the false lashes. I'm gonna take that CoverGirl mascara to blend it together. And then for the eyeliner, I'm gonna take my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in shade Silky Nude and putting it to my waterline. And for the bronzer, I'm gonna use my Rimmel London Natural Bronzer in shade Sun Glow. Just gonna bronze my face to my temple and cheekbones, and then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. To even contour my face, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. contour and highlight face palette. I'm gonna take the darkest color of the palette in the palette, and then contour my face and also contour my nose. I mean, it's not the best brush that you can either use for the contouring your nose, for the blend, using this kind of brush. Anyway, for the blush, I'm gonna take my Essence Matte Touch Blush in shade Pitch Me Up and pop that to my cheeks and blending outward. And for the highlighter, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Big Highlighter in shade Gems. I'm using a packed dense brush for this kind of highlighter because it's kind of big and it's kind of, packed. It's very hard to use a loose brush. Anyway, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and to my inner corner of my eyes and to the bridges of my nose and tip of my nose, and also to my cupid's bow. And then for the lip part, I'm gonna use the Balm Matte Hughes Liquid Lip in shade Adoring. It's a red. Yes, any red. You can use any red. And then I'm gonna set my face with my MAC Prep&Prime Fix Spray and spray my face. And I'm gonna, of course, to the last, I'm gonna set my eyebrows with my Essence Volume Stylist 18 Hours Mascara. Gosh, I love this mascara for my brows, of course, for setting my brows. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, the tutorial, and don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below anything you like or whatever you want to say. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And